This jar of Nutella looks simple at first glance, just a smooth chocolate spread sitting quietly on a shelf. But what most people never realize is that every single spoonful inside has been engineered at a level far beyond what human senses can detect. The texture you feel, the way it spreads, even the way it melts on your tongue, all of it depends on particles so small they exist beyond perception, controlled down to microscopic precision. And yet, despite this level of detail, millions of these jars are produced every single day, all with exactly the same taste, the same consistency, and the same experience. So how do factories achieve something this precise at such massive scale? And why does Nutella remain perfectly smooth and stable while other chocolate spreads separate over time? To answer that, we need to step inside the factory and uncover a system built on chemistry, physics, and industrial control working together in perfect synchronization. Welcome to AgriTech Smart. Long before production begins, the system starts across multiple regions of the world, where hazelnuts are grown under specific climate conditions that influence their oil content and flavor profile. These nuts are harvested, dried, transported, and stored carefully to maintain quality. But once they enter the factory, they are no longer treated as simple agricultural products. Instead, they become measurable variables. Each batch is analyzed for moisture levels, fat composition, and structural consistency, because even the smallest variation can affect the final texture of the product. The same applies to sugar, cocoa, milk powder, and oils, all of which are standardized and precisely measured before entering production. At this level, consistency cannot be fixed later in the process. It must be built from the very beginning, where every input is controlled to ensure predictable behavior in every stage that follows. Once approved, the hazelnuts move into roasting systems where heat begins to transform them in a controlled environment. At first, the change is subtle, but as temperature increases, moisture evaporates, natural sugars begin to react, and aromatic compounds develop. This is where the signature flavor of Nutella is created, but it is also one of the most sensitive stages in the entire process. Roasting is irreversible, meaning that any mistake cannot be corrected later. If the nuts are under-roasted, the flavor remains weak and flat, but if they are over-roasted, bitterness takes over and oils degrade. To prevent this, factories use sensors and real-time monitoring systems that track temperature curves and airflow, adjusting conditions continuously to ensure each batch reaches the exact same flavor profile. What appears to be simple heating is actually a carefully controlled transformation that defines the taste of the final product. After roasting, the hazelnuts are cooled, their skins removed, and then transferred into grinding systems where mechanical force begins to reshape them completely. Initially, the nuts break into coarse fragments, but as pressure increases and grinding continues, particle size reduces gradually until natural oils are released and the structure begins to change. What was once a solid material starts to behave like a fluid, forming a thick, smooth paste that will become the foundation of Nutella. This transformation must happen in stages because uneven grinding creates inconsistencies that cannot be corrected later. Each particle must be reduced uniformly, ensuring that the paste remains smooth and stable. At this point, the process has already moved beyond simple food preparation and into controlled material transformation, where texture begins to take form long before the final product exists. The hazelnut paste now enters large mixing tanks, where it is combined with cocoa, sugar, milk powder, and oils. But this stage is far more complex than simply blending ingredients together. Each component must be distributed evenly while maintaining a stable temperature that keeps fats in the correct state. If the mixture becomes too cold, it thickens unevenly and resists proper blending, while excessive heat can cause separation and instability. To manage this, the entire system operates under continuous control, with mixing speed, temperature, and flow all carefully adjusted in real time. The goal is not just to combine ingredients, but to create a uniform system where every component interacts consistently with the others. At this stage, the product begins to take its recognizable form, but its final texture is still being defined. Even after mixing, the product is not yet smooth enough to meet the expected standard, because particles within the mixture are still large enough to be detected by the human tongue. To eliminate this, the mixture enters refining systems where it is passed through high-pressure rollers that crush particles into increasingly smaller sizes. With each pass, the structure becomes finer, transitioning from a slightly grainy texture into something completely smooth. Eventually, the particles reach a size so small that they fall below the threshold of human perception, creating the signature mouthfeel that defines Nutella. This is one of the most critical stages in the entire process because texture is not just about ingredients, but about scale. Factories must maintain particle size within a precise range, often measured in microns, ensuring that the final product feels consistent every time it is consumed. At this point, the mixture is smooth but still unstable, and temperature becomes the next critical factor. The product must be cooled in a controlled manner to stabilize its internal structure, particularly the behavior of fats that determine how it will spread and hold shape. If cooling occurs too quickly, unstable crystal structures form, leading to texture issues, while slow or uneven cooling can cause separation over time. To prevent this, the mixture moves through controlled cooling systems where temperature is gradually reduced while the product continues to flow. This ensures that crystallization occurs evenly throughout the mixture, creating a stable structure that remains smooth and consistent inside the jar. The result is a product that feels soft and spreadable, yet maintains its integrity over time. Once stabilized, the Nutella moves into filling systems where speed and precision operate together. Glass jars travel along conveyor belts in perfectly synchronized motion, arriving beneath filling nozzles that dispense the product with exact accuracy. Each jar receives the same amount, measured and controlled down to precise tolerances. Sensors monitor every unit in real time, detecting any deviation and removing it instantly without interrupting the flow of production. The system operates continuously, producing thousands of jars every hour, each one identical in content, appearance, and quality. This is where scale becomes visible, not as chaos, but as controlled repetition executed with precision. After filling, jars are sealed, labeled, and inspected through automated systems that ensure every detail meets strict standards. Caps are applied with controlled torque to maintain airtight sealing, labels are positioned with exact alignment, and optical systems scan for defects in real time. Any irregularity, no matter how small, is removed immediately. At this level of production, even a tiny error rate can translate into thousands of defective products. So the system is designed to correct itself continuously, maintaining consistency across every unit that leaves the factory. Once packaged, Nutella enters a global distribution network that delivers it across continents. Its formulation allows it to remain stable without refrigeration, enabling it to travel long distances while maintaining the same texture and flavor. From factory floors to warehouses and retail shelves, the product moves through a system designed to preserve quality at every stage. Whether opened in a large city or a small town, the experience remains the same because the system behind it was designed to eliminate variation. From the sourcing of hazelnuts to the microscopic control of particle size, from the application of heat to the stabilization of internal structure, Nutella represents far more than a simple chocolate spread. It is the result of a highly coordinated system where chemistry defines flavor, physics controls texture, and engineering ensures consistency at scale. And the next time you open a jar and spread that smooth layer, it is worth remembering that what feels effortless is actually the outcome of a process designed with precision long before it ever reached your hands. If you found this journey inside a Nutella factory interesting, you might start looking at everyday food in a completely different way, so don't forget to subscribe to AgriTech Smart to explore more of the systems behind how food is made at massive scale. And if there's a factory or product you're curious about, share it in the comments below because every product has a story and we're just getting started.